Hey friends, we are officially back on Bee Free Acres, the family compound. We're going to be here for about a week or so before heading back on the Appalachian Trail. We plan to take a break from the beginning, and it's honestly been so nice to recharge, catch up on everything we've missed, and spend some quality time with family. One of our favorite things about coming home is just slowing down for a minute. The mountains are still here, the garden keeps growing, and somehow life keeps moving even while we're away. The best part of being home is always the people. Hiking the Appalachian Trail has been an incredible adventure, but nothing replaces spending time with family. These are the moments we miss most while we're out chasing miles and adventures. We get to spend time with these two little boys. This is Aim and Troy. Aim and Troy, what do you like to play with? Do you like a tractor?
Tractor.
Wow, that's awesome. You're a good boy.
Stop.
Ready?
Stop.
Ready?
Stop.
Who's this?
Amen.
Amen. Who's that?
Eli, my pappy calls me Rooster. He calls me Rooster. My pappy calls me Rooster. My pappy calls me Rooster. Everywhere I go. What's she saying? Who's gonna tell me? He's in the doghouse now. He's in the doghouse.
Put the seeds in the holes. Oh, that's going to be great. There'll be a lot of beans in that one, won't there? Water your seeds. Yeah. And then in true Georgia fashion, it starts to pour. And here we are, trying to get back to the car as fast as we can. And everybody's wet, even you. What are we doing right now?
Help from Pokemon.
We're going to a movie.
New habitats.
There was another really exciting reason we were looking forward to being home. That is that our youngest daughter, Kinsey, found out she was going to have a baby, and getting to be a part of this news with her has been really special. We cannot wait to meet our newest little adventure buddy.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
Give it to Nene. Give it to Nene. You ready?
This morning has a clear light as any.
Woo!
Don't look careful, buddy. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth.
I'm so excited.
And when on my face.
It's amazing how much can change in just a few weeks. While we've been hiking, the garden has exploded. Tomatoes are everywhere, peppers are ready, and it feels like every day there's something new to harvest. One of the best rewards for all that hard work? Fresh meals straight from the garden. Nothing says summer quite like homemade tomato pie, using tomatoes you picked just minutes earlier. Whoa, it smells really good. It looks really good too. Life on Be Free Mountain doesn't stop just because we're on the trail. There's always another project waiting for us. This week gave us the chance to tackle a few things that have been piling up, including getting the tractor back in working order. Even though we were taking a break from through hiking, we couldn't stay inside for long. Living in these mountains makes it pretty hard to ignore the trails. Apparently, the wildlife followed us home. This guy decided to stop by for an evening visit. Thankfully, he was just passing through, but living out here definitely keeps life interesting. So we had some visitors last night come and visit the compound, the family compound, in the middle of the night. And when we got up this morning, we noticed the paw marks on the window. What? Good grief. Were they trying to get in the house? Buddy is not impressed. 1 week isn't very long, but it was exactly what we needed. Time with family, fresh food from the garden, a few projects checked off the list, and a chance to recharge before getting back to the Appalachian Trail. We're grateful for every mile we've hiked, but we're just as grateful for this place we get to call home. Our Be Free Mountain family compound will always be where we will come back to rest before the next adventure begins. So that's what our week at home looked like. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us. If you're ready to see us get back on the Appalachian Trail, make sure you're subscribed because those adventures are coming up next. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.